Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to generate the refresh token or access token using this script. So this script is also based on the documentation here in the version 2 of the API. So the first step is to know the scope. So this is the scope. So for this tutorial I'm going to use the Zoho Creator form create. So much better if you're going to copy it somewhere. Then next is the to register client. So once you click that, you're going to redirected on this link. Self client, generate. Okay, then so you have the client secret or client ID. Then paste it here. Here. Then the client secret. And now for the authorization code, you need to use the this here. So create a record. And then you should copy that here. And then save. Once you have saved that, and execute. So you have the access token, refresh token, and then this is the access token generated from the refresh token, and this is the issue that I have reported to Zoho because this should not expire, but when I tested this, it is expiring after 3,600 minutes. So let's wait for their update. To test this, I'm going to paste this here, then just to check. So there is no video record here. So I'm going to run this. Let's see what is the response. So going 3,000, I don't know what is that, but if the data added successfully. So let's see what does it mean. And let's see also the record. No internet. So the data has been added, but I don't know what is the code for 2,000. So this is the code. I'm going to investigate why this is happening because on the previous test yesterday, I'm not receiving this error.